how to transfer your photos and videos to Google Photos on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to transfer your photos and videos to Google Photos on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and go down, click settings, and now just scroll down again. Here you will find transfer a copy of your information. Click on it and now just click next and select Google Photos, and then just all you need to do, just click next. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.